This 2019 Forest River Salem 171 RBXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Forest River is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, smoke detector, microwave, Colorado detector, water heater, skylight, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, air conditioning, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Salem 171 RBXL is 3,836 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.